This is Spectrum.
On September 7th, 2021, the Valorant launched a groundbreaking collaboration with the music artist Zedd. There, that's what we want. The Waveform knife. And now 6 months after its conception, I'm going to create it. Part 1. 3D modeling. Most times I'll start with a picture, and then turn it into a 2D model, and extrude it into the 3D. From there I can round the corners and start to shape it. After modeling for weeks on and off, I have something I'm happy with, so now I can start to print it. Combined, all the printing for this project took over 40 hours and was spread between multiple days and several different batches. If you look closely in the background of this clip, you can actually see the sun setting and rising as it prints. I designed all of the parts for this print with interlocking pins to make assembly easier. With a combination of sandpaper and a power sander, I get everything down to the desired smoothness and then start to prime. After I get down a few layers of primer, I'm ready to put on the real colors.
The crazy shit I told you last night. Last girl left me in the dark without a flashlight. And now I got this paranoia inside me, worried that it's slowly driving you away.
I'm painting the smaller details and then I can glue the parts together. Once again, I have designed pins to help align the parts. Now this project that spanned across multiple months comes to an end. Enjoy.
So if I wrote a song about girls, it's not about you, then it wouldn't be too hard.